Hi, today I'm going to be reviewing the Dino car. It comes with two cars. There's one, and here's the other. It also comes with two remote controls. It takes 3 AA batteries, which are not included. You're going to need a tiny Phillips head screwdriver to release the battery compartment. Here's your off and on switch here. I have it switched on. The remote control takes 2 AA batteries, also not included, and you're going to need that same tiny Phillips head screwdriver to get into this battery compartment as well. The cars have 3 features on them. I'm going to show you what they are. If you press the character's head down, that's your first feature. If you press the steering wheel down, and the third feature is music. The remote control has a straight arrow here, a curved arrow here. If on the left side, if you push that arrow, the car will go straight, and if you push the arrow on the right, the car backs up and spins around. Okay, and we're going to press the left arrow, and it's going to go straight. And there you have it.
Alright, just doing a review of these 2 Dino remotes. Super cute. They came in a 2-pack. They have these detachable dinosaurs here, and they also make noises. A couple of buttons here, and their own remotes. It just goes forward, and a reverse circle button or whatever it is to move the other direction. So let's try it out. Alright, little delay. Little reverse there. Pretty good range. Get it. My kids love it.